in Cinderella, there is a part in the original Cinderella where one of the mice breaks the necklace and he goes, "Ooh, beads!" And that's about how I'm feeling right now. These are little chip pieces, chip stones with holes in it. And a little bit ago, I took a class at Driftless Market making a tree of life. It was about 3 inches, so I'm going to use it as a wall ornament, but I plan on for Christmas making a bunch of them to give away to friends and family. So friends and family, close your ears, because Santa Claus will be bringing you some. But these are just so neat. They came in my order from Amazon. My mother loved red. My mother-in-law Shirley loved red. Even got some crystal ones and some brown ones. My desk is a mess because we are going to be at the art fair tomorrow at Driftless Market. So yeah, my desk is an absolute 100% mess, but we have been busy creating, and I took a few minutes to open up the package. Oh, these are pretty. Manda, do you see the purple in there? I like these clear ones too. They're down here somewhere. Oh, there they are. They would be so pretty matched up with the ones that look like amber. Very, very pleased with them. And then also we got, in that same shipment from Amazon, we got these beads. Now they were nice, and they're in plastic, so I'm not going to open them. They're plastic wrapped. But this was another thing, and I think these are cute. They'd make a cute thing for a child who doesn't put things in their mouth anymore, and then they get the pink, and so many pretty things to create. Years ago, I used to love making jewelry and earrings, and we used to do machine embroidered earrings. And I happened to find, thanks to my daughter, some ones that we had made a while back. So there's some pink hearts. And then we have, oh, they just fell down. Where did they go? Which way did they go here? For Christmas, these little light bulbs. So cute. Was my passion years ago, making jewelry and beaded ornaments. But right now, it's, as you can see, it's a mess. I miss this company. Rubber Stamp Tapestry. They make peg stamps. Let me pull one out here. This one says blessed, but it was red rubber. And I miss them because they did wonderful stamps. So many things you could create with them that you don't even think about. But this was one of their sets. Go Fly a Kite. And then here's one for fall. It was called Seasonal Splendor. So you'll be seeing some cards and gift tags with them on them. Then I've been playing with my die machine, and this one, not die, embossing. This one was leaves, but I did it on top of packages. I thought that was kind of interesting look. Yep. But yeah, my stacks of 6x6, and then the beads will be cleared off, and these are card bases ready to go. Just have to put designs on them. Sorry for the glare, folks. Don't mean that. And I would be lost. A lot of people complain, but I would be lost without my advanced tape glider or my Stampin' Up. I have to buy some refills. I am a Stampin' Up. I do not sell it. I am a user of it, so you will see me use. But this is another good quality brand of tape. But I have to put in my order for Stampin' Up to get some more tape. I think it's called Snail nowadays. Fantastic. So this is what we've been doing. We have been getting ready for our Driftless Fair tomorrow. I will be on the second floor, Greetings and Handmade, and there's supposed to be approximately 20 vendors. There are some wonderful, wonderful baskets for a silent auction to bid on. I want to say there's 6 or 8 baskets to bid on. And then there's 2 other bids for gift cards. And there's one that if you love to quilt, head on over to Driftless Market tomorrow between 11 and 4. And you will find that there is a basket there that has a gift certificate for $30 or $35 to the quilt shop next door. So if you are into quilting, that is an excellent, excellent bargain. And the silent auction at Driftless tomorrow benefits 3 of the local art communities. So we hope that you will stop in and visit. If not, if you're too far away, well, just like and subscribe, and we'll keep coming up with some of these little crazy videos and YouTube things to do. Just showing you my crazy mess. And most people I know have a craft room that is, all the white and pretties and organized. Well, this is a little mini tour of mine. This is my desk on this side, and my husband or whoever's crafting with me sits over there. As you see, the wheelchair, that's my husband is kind of in one of those with a walker these days. But this is my craft room tour. Not white, not pretty, not organized. However, it's mine. I know where everything's at. I stole that dresser from my daughter. She said, "No, Mom, you can't have it." And well, I went over one day and brought the drawers, and then they carried the rest of it. As you can see, my We Are Memory Keepers punch things. Oh, I love those corner chompers. They are wonderful. More stamps, Unity stamps, and oh, my mind just went blank. Simon Hurley stamps are in there, as well as Brutus Monroe stamps. And then I have my art supplies. See those cotton swabs? Who can create art without a cotton swab? More Simon Hurley of his lunar paste, and my long cutters, my scraps. If you craft, you have scraps, especially with paper. And then over here, and this mess is all the papers from Victoria Designs to Genevieve Designs. I have all their paper, and then it actually looks like it might be organized. And then this 3 shelf thingy is 99% May stamps. Woohoo! Way to go, May. And my punches. And then in here and over there are all my dies. One of these days, I will figure out a better way to store my dies when I'm not using them. But as of right now, that's about it. So this is my crazy craft room. It isn't pretty, but it is very, very functional. I love it, and I am very, very blessed to have this room. I know that it would be a lot different. I used to craft just on the kitchen table. When I was little, I learned how to do the count stitch and the counted cross stitch. I'm doing okay, folks. Then I have my printer for sublimation printing for the mugs, and hopefully soon to do t-shirts. So yeah, this is my mess. I claim it. Very happy for it. Very blessed. I have a husband who puts up with an awful lot of my stuff. And this, for me, is the absolute best scoreboard. I want to get the larger one of these days when I save up my pennies. It's the Score Buddy. It comes in 8s. But for me and for anyone else who might have bad eyesight, this one works. It is blue with dark blue, and I don't have to guess, is that 4.5 or 4 1/8? It is just, I can read it, which is amazing. So yeah, Score Buddy hit it right on the tip of the nail with that one, because now I just have to get the bigger one. And then my poor eyes will be very happy. This is a sample of May stamps. This is her, let's see if I can find the name of it. Is it on here? I don't think it's on here. If you see it, start yelling at me. It's right there. Oh, there it is. It's right there. It's right there. Stitch shapes. So for those of you like me who like the look of stitching, and yes, I do sew when I do stitch, but this makes it quick and easy. So there are different tags, flags, pennants, circles, and with a to from, which is, May makes excellent designs, excellent stamps. I've been with her since, I think she had less than 5,000 subscribers when I started following her. No relation. I don't get any kickbacks from her. May Stamps, Simon Hurley, Unity Designs, and I love the paper and the ink pads from Stampin' Up. They are the best. They're very high quality, and I truly miss Rubber Stamp Company. They hit it out of the ballpark too with their peg stamps. Anyway, I wish you all a happy evening, a good evening, and enjoy the upcoming week. If you're in the northern country, stay warm and toasty. And this is Robin Ness from Greetings and Handmade and Granny Driftless signing off for now. Keep on smiling and craft happy.